Good. Twist it out. Okay, get the arms up. 8, 9, 10. Okay, move your hands. Under bicep curls. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. Okay, sumo squats. Ready? Let's go. Take it down. 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next one. Let's go. Right here. Okay, you can do it without the weights as well. Up on the legs. Stabilize. Let's go. Lift out and down. Out and down. 3. Legs wide. 4. Get the knees up now. Let's go. 5. Double time. Get the arms overhead. Let's go. Good. 9. One more. And 10. Okay. I'm going to add something in this now. Some boxing moves. So stay here. This is for the core. So you're going to box right here. Just turn the body, twist it. Stabilize the hips. Keep the core muscles nice and tight, guys. We're working the core right here, okay? It's awesome working out with you guys. I'm looking forward to our next time together. Thank you so much for joining. You did an awesome job. Take care. Bye-bye.